Ooh, an investment problem. It says if $1,000 is invested at a 4% annual rate, that's yearly now, how much will the investment be worth at the end of a year? All right, so let's take a look at this problem, see what it's going to do. It's a nice investment. And the way things work in the world of simple interest, and this is what this is, all right, this is a simple interest problem. You've got some parts given here. This one's not too difficult. You're going to have $1,000. You are investing. You hope to earn some money at 4% annual rate. It's a plus, so you're going to earn some on this. And it says, how much will the investment be worth at the end of 1 year? Now, that means we're going to pick up interest, but we're going to have to add it to this number at the very end, all right? So here's the deal. First of all, we use a little formula for interest, and basically it says we're going to take the principal, which we'll call P, formula. Everybody wonders, where did these algebra formulas come? This is the way our life works out there, folks. This is what we see over and over, different formulas. Principal times the rate, and then we'll put in the time, all right? How much time does it last? And all these simply said multiply, multiply, and multiply. Now, one thing you want to make sure you do with the 4%, we got to make that go to a decimal. And be very careful. Be very careful. Sometimes when we change it to a decimal, we think, oh, we just got to move it to one place there to make 0.4. That's not what we want, or 4/10. This is 4/100, all right? So we want to make sure that rate is going to be 0.04. Make sure you've got that 0 between the decimal point and the 4, all right? Otherwise, you're going to make a lot more money than you really are, all right? And someone's going to catch you for it, all right? But let's see what happens here. We're going to look for the interest first, and then we'll figure out what is this investment worth once we get the big I here, all right? So put in your $1,000. That's what we invest. That's what we call principal, all right? That's the investment. The rate, we're going to multiply these, is 4%. And remember, change that to a decimal. 2 places you move that decimal back. So you've got 4/100 or 0.04, not 0.4, not 4/10, okay? Make sure it goes right there. And how long is it? We're going for 1 year. We're going for 1 year. So there's the ingredient. We're just going to multiply by 1, which is pretty easy, all right? So there's your principal, your rate, and the time, all right? So let's multiply. That's what we're going to do. That's going to find out how much money you earn, all right? We're going to find out how much this whole thing's worth in just a second also. We take 1,000 times 4, really is basically what we're doing here. We get 400, but you know what? We're going to, no, we get 4,000 actually if we multiply 4 times 1,000. But we're going to move that decimal in 2 places, all right? So where it looks like it's going to be 4,000, then we got to remember to count that decimal back in 2 places. And folks, we're going to put it there. It's called dollars and cents, all right? So here we go. We got $40, no cents in addition. So that's what we're going to earn. Now that's not what the investment's worth now. The investment is worth the 1,000 plus that 40, and man, that's good stuff. 1,040, and you know what? That's a tax form. Those of you who have not gotten your taxes going, it's kind of almost that point. All right, tomorrow's the 15th. You better make sure you get that rocking, okay? So it is ready to take us into a tax time here.
For more math help, visit TNLearn.org.